You know those number things at the top of exams and tests and midterms, grades? Are they important? Yo, what's up? How important are grades?
Grades are important.
Yeah, I think they're pretty important because, I mean, if they weren't, then why would you be here in the first place? You know what I'm saying?
Grades are very important, but like if you're doing good in school, at least it's a good representation that you're trying to really absorb the knowledge you're getting.
I don't know, Humber. What else are you doing to actually learn your stuff? What actually mean? Is it the number on the page that means that you're learning? Is it actually just like knowing it in yourself? Question for you, simple question. Do you think grades are important?
Sure.
What over here?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, you pass.
Well, because some people are not as good in the classroom as some other people, or they don't learn that way, as opposed to learning just on the job and stuff.
I like the fact that I've been able to pick up a video camera and like just kind of go and teach myself that. That's not worth a grade. It's worth likes, comments, and subscriptions. Do you think grades are important?
Yes.
Why?
To get higher education.
Okay, fair enough. How about over here?
Yeah, if you're interested in higher education, but if you just plan to going into the work field, probably not.
Sometimes grades don't reflect some geniuses and some people's different types of intelligence, right? I mean, there's so many different ways to figure out who's smart.
I mean, I'm trying to go to graduate school after.
What average do you need?
Like 90, 95-ish, I don't know.
So you're aiming low. It's higher education, grades inevitably are always going to be of importance. Regardless of what you think, Humber, there's services available for you on campus. If you want to get those grades up, you want some tutoring, you want to kind of increase that stuff, check out Peer Assisted Learning Supports. They've got everything from math centers to writing centers to actual tutors that can help you bolster that average. But if you're also thinking that you want to get that hands-on experience, maybe an internship, maybe a placement, check out the Career Center. They've got like resume reviews and people do mock interviews and all of these awesome things to give you the clues as to what you need to be successful in the real world. As always, we produce debatables and post them every single Thursday. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, tell us what we should debate below. Humber, we love you. Go do some learning, do some brain stuff, study.